In the heart of ancient Greece, markets buzz with the sounds of merchants and citizens bartering for goods. Yet among all the vibrant colors and items, one stands out as the most coveted and mysterious: purple. Sophia, a young merchant, walks through the market eyeing the goods for sale. She stops in front of a stall with fabrics dyed a rich shade of purple. Purple dye became more than just a color. It represented power, wealth, and exclusivity. Only the richest and most influential could afford garments dyed in purple. Kings, queens, and emperors wore it as a symbol of their high status. Though centuries have passed, the story of purple dye has endured. It was used by emperors of Rome, kings of Egypt, and even by royalty in medieval Europe. Its legacy as the color of the powerful remains to this day. The secret of purple dye, passed down from generation to generation, continues to captivate those who seek its rich history. From the shores of the Mediterranean to the palaces of kings, the color purple reminds us that some things, like beauty, power, and legacy, are never easily attained. They are earned through effort, rarity, and time.